In the energy quadrant, taking a look at the July crude oil futures, which fell late in the session after reaching an 11-week high and is now closing in on its first negative day in the last 4 and only its second negative session in the previous 7. The high today was 66.28, which was up 1.52%, while the low today was 64.57. That was down 1.1%. And as we come into the close of the futures session, July WTI crude oil futures is still down 0.87%. The EIA released its short-term energy outlook yesterday, which included 2 very interesting calls. One call was for peak shale, as drilling activity is predicted to decline. The agency expects U.S. production to slip from a record 13.5 million barrels per day in Q2 of 2025 to around 13.3 million barrels per day by the end of 2026. The other was the expectation for rising global crude oil inventories to drive crude oil prices lower over the forecast period, which is through 2026. We also have President Trump, according to reports, preparing sweeping new sanctions on Russia. The sanctions may include targeting Moscow's shadow oil fleet and LNG products and all the energy-linked firms. Now, there's no way to know what sanctions will actually be put in place and what effect it will have on the overall market, but the administration did call these sanctions and their effect on Russia's energy industry devastating. So if they actually are put on, there will likely be some effect on the crude oil market.